Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleach my shirts. Bleaching shirts is, it makes the shirts look a little more interesting rather than so plain. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So the first thing I need is some shirts, some bleach, water, and a spray bottle. And I also have garbage bag to lay down. I don't want to ruin my porch. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get your spray bottle. You're gonna want to pour Clorox, and I do think it's better to use name brand Clorox rather than off brand. So I'm gonna fill a little water in to the spray bottle. I think I did about 6 ounces, and I'm gonna do equal parts water to bleach. So I'm also going to pour in 6 ounces of bleach as well. A little bit more. Yeah, that looks good. So something we did in chemistry class, we never really shook things up. We kind of just swirled it around to mix it up. And I wasn't about to shake this up either. Even though it's just bleach and water, I still didn't want to shake it up. So I just, swirled it a little bit, and then, I swayed it from side to side just to mix it up. So that's what I'm doing here. Mix, 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 mix. Alright, so then I laid out this garbage bag. I don't want my porch to be ruined with anything. I just got this building, so I need to look nice. And then I laid my shirt down and I just started spraying. I'm about 2 feet away, maybe. No rhyme or reason, just spray. Spray to your liking. However much you want, however little you want, just spray. And whatever, like your nozzle on your spray bottle, just make sure it's not too tight, not too loose, and it'll give you a nice little mixture. So you can really see the color fade in this shirt right after I sprayed it, and I thought that was really cool. I'm actually in the background fighting wasps. So yeah. So after a few minutes, I did come back and spray a little bit more because it wasn't enough for me. I wanted more. So I just came a little closer and sprayed like in spots that I thought were empty, nothing major. And after spraying, you just let it sit. You let the sun do its business. These both are cotton shirts. So do not expect these shirts to bleach white. They won't. They're going to fade to this probably this light brownish looking color. It's not going to be white. I think you need to have heather shirts. Is what I read for it to bleach white, but the cotton, nah, not gonna work. So here's my next shirt. I'm just gonna pinch. I want the square design, so I'm gonna pinch it and then turn to the right, and then keep turning. And then I'm use my other hand to help because I want it to, be kind of close together. So I just swirled it, and then I spray. As much as you want, as little as you want, you just spray. So I didn't do too much with this one. And then you let it sit, and you see the color change right before your eyes. And this is not going to change to white as I stated previously. It's going to be this brownish color. and I think it looks nice as well. Alright, so then after a few minutes, I pulled the shirt apart to see my design, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I almost wish I had like tie-dye. Like, that design is too cute. So afterwards, I just let the shirts sit out in the sun, probably about 25-ish minutes. Nothing major. Didn't want the bleach to eat through the shirts. And then I took in the kitchen and rinsed it. I rinsed these shirts with cold water. And once I was done rinsing them, I actually stuck them in the wash machine with a little detergent, and I dried them as well. And here is the finished result of the swirl shirt. It came out really great, I think. What do y'all think? Y'all like this? Do you see how easy it was to get this? Too easy and too cute. I definitely want to. Also, if you notice, I did not spray the back of my shirts, but the bleach did see through, and got a cute little abstract thing going on back there. Nothing major. And here is my splatter dot shirt. I'm gonna cut. So this is how I cut. I start like halfway between the collar and the sleeve, and then I cut in a round motion as if you're cutting out kind of like a circle. As you get closer to the other end, you move closer to the collar. So you don't want it to be even. You want it to be like oblong looking, because that's going to give you that off the shoulder look. And once I cut out that shape, I start pulling on opposite directions, and that's going to make the shirt come in and not be so frayed. I did not use the right scissors for this. I used my CRICUT scissors. Don't use your CRICUT scissors. Use fabric shears. But this, I think it came out cute. This is the end result. As you can see, I did not spray the back of that shirt either, but I think it is too cute. So yeah, thumbs up if you like this little bleach shirt tutorial. It's just something to do, something to give your plain shirts a new look. I think they look great. Don't use CRICUT scissors, use fabric shears. Thanks for watching.